Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever wondered if you're making mistakes when dating younger women but felt unsure about what they are? Today, we're going to uncover the common pitfalls many older men often fall into when interacting with younger women. These mistakes can be subtle, hidden in your behavior, the way you communicate, or even in your attempts to impress. Don't miss out on our bonus tip at the end of the video. It's a game changer, enhancing your understanding and approach. Stay tuned for it. Before we unpack today's topic, feel like your dating life could use some expert advice? Book a free strategy call by clicking the link in the description or pinned comment. Ready to become more attuned to what really works? Let's dive in and discover these common mistakes together. 1. Trying to match her age group. Older men often feel the need to act younger, attempting to bridge the age gap by adopting younger fashion trends or interests. They might start dressing like they're in their 20s, using slang that feels unnatural, or pretending to be into the latest pop culture trends just to seem cool. But here's the kicker. This behavior is totally counterproductive. Younger women are often attracted to older men precisely because of their maturity and life experience. By trying to blend in with a younger crowd, you're actually diminishing the very qualities that make you attractive. It's like having a luxury vintage car and then painting it neon green to fit in with the latest sports cars. You're losing the unique charm and sophistication that set you apart. So, what's the secret? Embrace your age and let your maturity shine. Be the confident, experienced man you are, and express your authentic self without trying to fit into a younger mold. Women appreciate authenticity and confidence far more than an awkward attempt to be something you're not. You'll find that by owning who you are, you'll naturally attract the interest and respect of younger women who are drawn to your genuine self. 2. Self-deprecating jokes about age. Self-deprecating jokes about age might seem like a clever way to break the ice or show humility, but they often backfire. Imagine this scenario. You're on a date with a younger woman, and you make a joke about needing glasses to read the menu, or how you remember the good old days before smartphones. While you might think this is a lighthearted way to acknowledge the age gap, it can actually pinpoint insecurities you'd rather keep hidden. These jokes have the potential to emphasize a greater unease with the age gap, which should not be taken as seriously. You're unintentionally bringing up something that might not even be on her mind, rather than lightening the tone. Making light of oneself sends the message that your age is problematic, which may cause her to begin doubting it as well. So, what's a better approach? Use humor that builds connection without undermining your confidence. Share funny stories or observations that reflect your experiences and wisdom, not your insecurities. Instead of joking about your age, playfully tease her about something you both find amusing, or tell a humorous anecdote that shows off your life experience in a positive light. This way, you keep the conversation fun and engaging, without undercutting your own value. 3. Failing a woman's confidence test. Women often unconsciously conduct confidence tests to gauge a man's self-assuredness. These tests aren't meant to trip you up, but to see how you handle pressure and whether you truly own your worth. A classic example might be a younger woman casually asking, "Why are you still single at your age?" Or, "Aren't you a bit old to be here?" How you respond to these comments can make or break the interaction. A confident man will take these questions in stride, showing that he's comfortable with himself and his life choices. On the other hand, an insecure response can reveal underlying doubts, making the age difference seem like a bigger issue. So, how do you ace these confidence tests? Here are a few examples of nonchalant, confident responses. If she asks, "Why are you still single at your age?" you might say, "I guess I just haven't met the right person yet. I'm enjoying the journey, though." Or playfully, "Still searching for someone who can keep up with me." If she asks, "Aren't you a bit old to be here?" you could respond confidently with, "I like to think of myself as experienced rather than old. Plus, good company has no age limit." Or playfully, "Age is just a number, and I'm here to have a great time." The key is to maintain a relaxed and self-assured demeanor. By brushing off these comments with confidence, you show that you're unfazed by the age difference and secure in who you are. This not merely diffuses the situation, but also demonstrates your maturity and poise, which are highly attractive qualities. 4. Overemphasizing financial stability. Constantly talking about your financial success can come off as overcompensating. While it's true that stability and success are attractive qualities, harping on about them can make you seem insincere or even arrogant. Younger women are often looking for a genuine connection, and focusing too much on money can overshadow other important aspects of your personality. It's crucial to strike a balance when discussing your financial status. Instead of leading with your achievements and wealth, try to weave them naturally into the conversation when relevant. This way, You can show your stability without making it the centerpiece of your identity. Talk about your passions, ideals, and interests in addition to money to build stronger connections. Tell tales about your interests, aspirations, and life's key experiences. You come across as a well-rounded person when you act in this way, and it will be simpler to establish more intimate connections. This strategy makes you far more appealing to younger ladies by showcasing not merely your accomplishments, but also your depth and character. If you're enjoying today's tips on dating, don't forget to like and comment. For a deeper transformation, consider our free 60-minute strategy call. You'll learn how to meet more women and date with newfound confidence. Click the link in the pinned comment to reserve your session. 5. Being overly controlling. Trying to control or overly guide a younger woman's decisions is a common mistake that can quickly turn her off. While it might stem from a place of wanting to share your wisdom and protect her, it often comes across as paternalistic or patronizing. This behavior can make her feel like you don't respect her ability to make her own choices. It's important to recognize that younger women, like all adults, value their independence and autonomy. When you respect her opinions and decisions, you demonstrate that you see her as an equal partner. This mutual respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship and can significantly enhance your connection. Instead of trying to guide her every move, focus on being supportive and understanding. Ask for her thoughts and listen actively to her perspectives. Show interest in her ideas and encourage her to pursue her passions. By fostering an environment of mutual respect, you'll build a stronger, more balanced relationship where both partners feel valued and heard. 6. Not taking care of personal appearance. Maintaining a good appearance and personal hygiene is crucial when dating younger women or anyone for that matter. Neglecting your appearance can send a message that you're disinterested or not putting in the effort, which can be a major turnoff. After all, if you're not willing to take care of yourself, it might make her wonder how much effort you'll put into the relationship. Good grooming is the foundation of a positive first impression. It shows that you respect yourself and those around you. Simple things like regular haircuts, trimming facial hair, and keeping your nails clean can make a significant difference. Personal hygiene, such as showering regularly, using deodorant, and maintaining dental hygiene, is essential. Dressing well is another key aspect. You don't need to follow the latest fashion trends, but wearing clothes that fit well and suit your style can boost your confidence and attractiveness. Invest in a few classic, well-made pieces that you can mix and match. Pay attention to the details, like ensuring your clothes are clean and wrinkle-free. Fitness also plays a crucial role. Staying active not merely helps you look better, but also feel better. Regular exercise can boost your mood, energy levels, and overall health, making you more appealing. You don't have to be a gym rat. Find an activity you enjoy, whether it's jogging, swimming, or even walking. By taking care of your personal appearance, you send a clear message that you value yourself and are ready to put effort into all aspects of your life, including your relationships. Bonus tip: the secret sauce to winning her heart. Here's the bonus tip you've been eagerly waiting for. And trust me, this one is a real game changer. Recall how I alluded to the one piece of advice that completes the picture. This advice, however, digs much further into what actually makes a bond last. Emotional intelligence is your secret weapon in building a strong, lasting connection. It's about being attuned to her feelings, understanding her perspectives, and showing empathy. When you genuinely listen and respond to her emotions, you create a stronger bond that goes beyond physical attraction. Ask meaningful questions about her dreams, passions, and fears. Be present in your conversations, offering your full attention and validating her feelings. Share your own experiences and emotions, creating a space of mutual vulnerability and trust. This often overlooked aspect can make a significant difference. Women, especially younger ones, crave emotional connection and authenticity. By demonstrating emotional intelligence, you show that you're not merely interested in her looks or age, but in who she truly is. So now you know the mistakes not to make. What's next for you? Discover how to re-attract a younger woman, or learn if you're a sexually attractive older man. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.